अभी ऑलमोस्ट अभी 1 घंटा और लगना है उस जगह तक पहुंचने में।
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic, built to last, with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past, with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em, make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em, if you take off the cast.
This thing caught my mind somewhere back, and then it just happened. Now I'll just stick to it.
I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah, if I ever play
You can push it up in these places quite easily.
so toxic, keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want 'em, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy, I can leave a legacy,
I'll cross it.
come on, we can fight this,
और
freedom is priceless,
ये है इको पार्क का पुल यहाँ पर।
living